and you're watching this video because you need more lumbar support, this is a really great ergonomic feature you can add on if you spend hours for your computer for your neck. Hi, my name is Dr. David Kulla with Synergy Wellness, Chiropractic and Physical Therapy in New York City. I'm a certified ergonomics assessment specialist and I've worked with many companies on ergonomics, and one of my favorite chairs is this chair right here, the Herman Aeron chair. As many of you know, this chair can be expensive. I bought mine used, one of the things though I found with the chair is, or one of the things that I didn't like about the chair was the lumbar support. I have a little bit of hyperkyphosis in my lumbothoracic area. I actually had 3 compression fractures from when I was a teen. Fell down the stairs and my vertebra compression fractured. So I have that kind of hunched over posture, and I'm also working on patients all day. So I need some extra lumbar support behind me. So I was searching all over the internet and I found and tried a lot of really bad products. Okay, there's a lot of bad products out there. This Smart Furniture is one of them. That makes this $300. You have to change out, swap out the whole back here of the chair, and that just didn't work for me. And then on top of that, the support in the back was not good at all. It was flimsy. It just didn't provide any support. So when you buy the chair, it comes with a pad that slips on in the back. That pad is the best thing that there is, trust me, and it's $30. But what I did was I went one step further and instead of spending $300 and $150, $200 on some of these other supports you see online, just go buy some dense foam for $20 online, anywhere. There's a lot of places. I'll leave the link below where you can get some of this dense foam. And you cut out a piece, you cut out 2 pieces. You'll see here I cut out 2 pieces and I glued them together. Now this is a headpiece I bought extra aftermarket. They make ones with mesh. I wouldn't recommend doing that. Your hair gets caught if you have short hair, and it can be irritating. So I got a different one there, but there's a bunch of them you can find aftermarket. You don't need to get them through Herman Miller. And what's nice is the clip here for the chair keeps my lumbar support in there. But you can see I cut out 2 pieces, and here I'll slide it out. 2 pieces here. I just put a black leather patch there just so it would be smooth on this back netting where I'm laying on it. But and I glued it to the pad. You don't need to glue it. It should stay in place, especially if you have this. But I glued these 2 foam pieces together. One is a little bit longer than the other, and it works. It's great. This is an inch thick, dense foam. Make sure it's dense foam that you get, okay? And then I just slide it in here, just like you would normally slide the pad in. And again, a nice little plus is this head rest. The bar down here holds it in from popping out. And that could be a problem for some people if you know and you use this kind of chair and have this kind of lumbar support, and you're watching this video because you need more lumbar support. This is a really great ergonomic feature you can add on if you spend hours for your computer for your neck, okay? And that's pretty much it. So $20 and a little bit of glue, and you've got your Herman Aeron better lumbar support fixed and solved. I hope this helps you guys, and I hope you subscribe to the channel, like the video. We do a lot of healthcare product reviews. I did a review on these dumbbells before, so if you're looking for exchangeable dumbbells that adjust from 5 all the way up to 50 plus pounds, that's a great pair. I did again a video on that, and then the next video we're going to do on this right here, this bad boy. This is a Laraco robotic massage chair. I'm going to do a review on this, and we're going to do a review on several other massage chairs coming soon. So tune in, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. It keeps me going, and thanks for tuning in.